So good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Gerson Alvarado, 25 years old. I'm applying to the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf because we'll know brand that have value and quality and have excellent customer service and teamwork. I want to work in an environment where I can develop my communication and customer service skills while contributing to a positive experience for customers. And I appreciate the company that have a professional standard and if opportunities, it provides learning and career growth. And I'm interesting for food service industry because I love it and I enjoy interacting with other people and providing good service. I like working in a fast-paced environment where I can stay productive and learn the new skill and work as a part of the team. I find it rewarding to help create a positive experience for our customers, even though a small gesture like providing friendly and efficient service. That's all, man.